What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We got a couple Kunwus coming in from White Mountain Knives. Check them out. Great store, great stuff. Use code KNIFELIFE and get 10% off your order. Obviously, that's always a great little bargain right there. Got them open, got them ready to go. Which one is this? Alright, so we're going to go over the X-Padre real quick. I've been pretty excited about these. I've been wanting to get them, obviously you don't know what this is yet. I think it's the Compact Chad. Um, I wasn't able to buy them, but I am able to check them out for right now. I do think I want both of these. Obviously, I like both of the original ones. I think I'm more excited about the Compact Chad just because I like the Chad. I think it's honestly my favorite Kunwu knife, to be honest with you. I didn't go over the stuff. Obviously, they always come with like a little bag, and I use these bags all the time. I've got, a couple right here. I use them just for like transporting knives, or if I'm taking one out in a bag, I'll put it just in this little bag, and then I'll put it in my book bag that I carry every day. So they always come with a bag like that. They come with a little cloth right here. You got your card right there, just the authenticity of it. No information on it really, like one of 100 or whatever it is. You got your card, you got your stickers, you got your little gel tab right there. Huh. No springs. I thought there were springs on it. I guess not, though. I don't think. Nope, there's no springs. I thought there would be. But, it's alright. Well, crap, let's open this one up, because I thought there was... Oh, well, okay, I guess there's springs on that one. So that is the Compact Chad. We'll open up one at a time. So it didn't come with extra springs on this one. I'm kind of wondering why, but... That's what I was kind of confused by just then. Kind of looking for them, because I figured they would have come with extra springs. I think they, on my other ones with the crossbar lock, they did. Like I said, this is the Padre, X-Padre, excuse me. There's no flipper tab, because they had a front flipper tab, and that's why I really liked the Padre. There ain't no flipper tab on this one. So this one is just straight thumb hole, or finger hole. Not bad. I like it. It is a little different to open. Not bad though. It is just definitely different on the... I'll have to get my other Padre out and kind of play around and see the differences in them. It definitely does feel like a solid difference in it though, like opening up. Like I love the front front flipper tab on it. That's why I kind of really like the Padre. And that's... It was honestly the best and easiest way to open it, I believe. This has a little bit more tension on it because it is kind of like a crossbar lock, obviously. They call theirs the XT lock. There's definitely stronger detent on it, obviously, than like a frame lock. Because it definitely, obviously the slow roll with the thumb, pretty good. Solid though. I will give them, they are always freaking solid, the Kunwu is. Like, they do a great job on their knives. I really like the orange peel. I've always been a fan of the orange peel. Like, my Pulsar and my S-Tower both in the orange peel titanium. I just think it looks good. I've gotten to handle some other companies that have their orange peel, and I honestly like Kunwu the best. It looks better, and I think it feels better in hand. Nice titanium pocket clip, of course. They always do well on that. Yeah, I've always been a big fan of the pocket clips, the titanium ones. Cool little emblem, little Green Lantern looking emblem. And it is LMAX. I forgot about that. The other one was Vanax. Yeah, not Vanax, Vanex. I love Vanex. It's my stuff. And LMAX is right there too. Second up. Got your nice little lanyard hole right there. So it's pretty much exactly like a Padre except for a few little things here and there. Obviously the crossbar lock. I'll have to, like I said, get them out, compare them, and I think I do like the frame lock a little better still. Like this is still pretty solid lockup. It's just different opening it up. Because I missed that flipper tab. Front flip. Solid though. Feels really good. Also nice satin blade. Beautiful knife though, it really is. Feels... I would say it feels great in hand. I already know that because I've gotten to handle one that's exactly the same just about, except that's the mechanism. So super cool, super nice. I did want to handle a Orange peel. I don't know why I always like the orange peel ones, but I got some of the diamond texturing. That's why I kind of wanted to check out the X-Padre with the orange peel. Okay, so this is obviously, there's your bag, and this one does come with the extra pocket clip. It's a wire pocket clip because I'm assuming that the titanium one is on there. Extra screw for it, and then you've got some extra omega springs right there for you. So that's cool. That's always dope to have. Got your card, got your stickers, you got your cloth. Forgot what it was. Here's the knife. I'm pretty excited about this. Here, let's put this away too. Like I said, compact Chad. And they actually, I just now got to check these out. They got a compadre, which is a smaller version of the Padre. So I think it's about maybe an inch shorter overall. So it's a little shorter. Looked really cool. I like the Padre. But this Chad right here, I think it's my baby. It's the winner. I've been wanting to check this out just because the Padre is, not the Padre, the Chad is a little bigger. Feels great though in hand. It's just a little long, but not bad. I really like carrying it. It's honestly the knife I carry around the most. Like I have to fight not to carry it all the time just because I get burned out on, I don't want to burn myself out on carrying it, but I really do force myself not to carry it because I do it all the time. This does feel great in hand though. Like it's, for a medium-sized hand right here, it's honestly perfect. Feels great. I do love the XT lock on this. It does feel better. I'm glad. Obviously, I like my thumb holes, my finger holes for the flipping open, but these thumb studs or thumb pads are dope, and I really like how they kind of did it with the titanium blade, like the handle. They made it all look all the same. I think on the other one it was like a blue coating, like anodized type coating, something like that. Don't know exactly. I can never find that answer out. But I like how they kind of did this with the gray. Like I know, like with the reverse tucks, they have the thumb pads black to match the blade. So I thought that was really cool. I'm glad they did that. I think it looks better. It blends in more too with it, and I think it looks dope like that. You always, yeah, obviously you have your milling right there going around it, beautifully done. I can't wait to compare these all to like the original, like the Padre and then like the Chad. I'm excited to compare these. Obviously this came with the titanium pocket clip also. Obviously there is a difference in size in them a little bit. So obviously this is a smaller knife. Going to be a little bit smaller clip. And there's quite a bit difference in size too. Like this thing feels great. I love the Chad. I'm not joking. I love these. These are my favorite Kunwu knives right here. I love the S-Tau. It was my very first one I bought. Phenomenal. Like it's still one of my top ones. I love the thing. Once the Chad came around, the only thing that I missed about it was that it didn't have a front flipper on there. Like if it had a front flipper, it would be no doubt my favorite since I got it. Like it would be just stupid not to pick it every time for my favorite Kunwu knife. But since it doesn't have the front flipper, it's always been hit and miss. It's always at the top though, but it's usually my favorite one to carry, like I said. Great action, feels great. I like it better with the XT lock just because it is a little smaller. This is kind of, I almost feel like I'd have to break it in, kind of adjust myself to get used to it because there's a lot more, you got to put a little more finger muscle into it, I guess, to really get it open. That's what she said. But it definitely takes a little more to open this bigger blade up. This thing, right open, butter. And that's the thing about Kunwu knives. Every time you open them, like I swear it's like butter every time. Like I've gotten to handle, I've got 5 of my own, and then I've gotten to handle like I think a couple others. Yeah, a couple others, and they always open up buttery smooth. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's just like I said, it's buttery smooth opening it and closing it. This has got a great feel about it. I don't know, I can't remember the word I'm trying to look for is not coming out, but it's just smooth, straight up smooth. Again, orange peel, beautiful, beautiful. Get a close up. I do like that thumb pad a lot. Just the color of it. Got your PM60. I didn't tell you that yet. It is PM60 also, like the regular Chad. That's great. The only thing about PM60 is it is acceptable to rust. Like normally, if you buy this from Kunwu, when they ship it to you, right here, they'll send you a little bit of liquid. I don't know what it is necessarily exactly, but they coat it with it to keep it from rusting. So it's just supposed to help out and everything. So that was kind of cool. I like that they do that. That's nice of them. But couple dope bangers right here. These are great knives. Check them out. Seriously, go to White Mountain Knives. They've got them. They got other Kunwu knives there. Check them out. Use code KNIFELIFE and it'll get you 10% off. That's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know down in the comment section. If you liked the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.